Hello, dear students. Welcome to the first English lesson. Dear friends, here English will be taught in a very natural accent and in a very effective way by me. I will try to explain the main goal of each lesson to you in a brief and concise manner, just as I explained to my previous students and how they can speak English fluently. Well, let's begin. Today we are going to talk about pronouns in English, what they are and why they are used. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are used instead of nouns to avoid repetition. When we talk about nouns, usually mean three main things that we discuss in a daily life. Number one, people. Two, objects. Three, animals. These are three main things we talk about every day. Now let's say we are talking about someone named Ali. After mentioning Ali once, we shouldn't repeat his name again and again. Instead, we use a subject pronoun. Subject pronouns are he, she, it, I, we, you, they. These are called subject pronouns. Now we will study each one individually. First, let's talk about the pronoun he. This pronoun is used in place of a man's or boy's name to avoid repetition. For example, Ali is a student. Ali goes to school. Ali is smart. Dear friends, these sentences are incorrect because the name Ali is repeated several times. In English, repeating the name is not acceptable because if I am talking about Ali 100 times, should I repeat the name of Ali 100 times? No, I only need to say Ali once, and for the second time, I should use the pronoun he. For example, Ali is a student, he goes to school, he is smart. As you can see, the second version sounds much better and avoids repeating the name. Now let's move on to the next subject pronouns, which is she. Dear friends, this pronoun is used instead of a woman's or girl's name to avoid repeating the same name again and again. For example, Shala is a doctor. Shala examines patients every day. Shala is a kind doctor. Look, my friends, if we talk about Shala 100 times, should we repeat her name 100 times? Of course not. Once we have said her name, we should use the pronoun she the second and third times. So we say, Shala is a doctor. She examines patients every day. She is very kind. See how much better and smoother the second version sounds. Now let's move on to the next pronoun, which is it. This pronoun is used instead of the name of an animal or an object. For example, this is a cat. This cat is white. This cat is very clever. No, that's incorrect. Instead, we should say, this is a cat. It is white. It is very clever. Dear friends, these are the first type of subject pronouns, the singular subject pronouns which we use in place of a man, a woman, or an animal. We'll talk about plural subject pronouns in the next video. Alright, now we have a practice page to review and practice the grammar section. Complete the sentences with the correct pronoun he, she, it. Number 1. Ali is a good student. He studies hard every day. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it So listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. A. Hey, do you know that guy over there? B. Yes, that's Omar. He's my classmate. A. Oh, really? What does he do? B. He studies engineering at the university. A. That's cool. What about that girl next to him? B. That's his sister, Sarah. She's a nurse. A. Nice. She looks very friendly. B. Yes, she always helps people. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. 1. Classmate. Omar is my classmate at university. 2. Engineer. He wants to become an engineer. 3. Nurse. Sarah is a kind nurse. 4. Friendly. She is very friendly to everyone. 5. Pet. Do you have a pet at home? 6. Cute. That puppy is so cute. 7. White. My cat has white fur. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1-hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.